Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds OPPO Enco Air3i. And to call voice assistant, firstly we need to add this feature to the gesture, because by default you cannot call voice assistant. So you need to open HeyMelody application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see the same menu. You need to go to Earbud Control at the bottom, is the middle bottom. And now, firstly decide you want to use the left or right earbud. You can also use both of them. I want to use the left one. And then you can add it for the double press or triple press. You cannot add it for the single press or press and hold. The same for the right earbud. And I want to use double press, so I click at the double press the left earbud, and I need to select voice assistant. Now let's check. The touch areas located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top. We have it. So let's double press on it. 1, 2. And as you can see, I just call Google Assistant, because we set up Google Assistant for this phone. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.